Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to send invitations in a Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to go to your Google account here. You will find your profile picture here if you are using the Google Chrome browser. Otherwise, all you need to do if you are using another browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, you will need to search for Google or search for the Gmail. You can do it by going to Gmail, and here after you connect to your Google account, you will find this Google Apps icon. You click on it, and here you will search for all the icons that are contained here, and we are going to choose calendar as an application. After you click on it, it will give you the access and it will redirect you to the Google Calendar web application. And now all you need to do is to click to any event so we can add people, or you can share your calendars and invite people to your calendar. So now let's create an event. We do an event, give it a title like that, and here you will find guests. And by adding guests, you will be able to add and send invitations to people. So let's just edit this, and here I will find like the list of my guests, or you can add emails, or you can add contacts. And basically you will click on contacts and you will find the contacts if you already have them. Basically I'm just going to choose anyone. So let's for example like that, and you will have like this, and you will add them and then save the changes. And when you save, an invitation will be sent to them. So I'm just going with no send, and if you use this method, you will have your invitation that has been sent successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.